My name's Tony Pare. I'm the CEO of Title 21 Health Solutions, located right here in beautiful Phoenix, Arizona. And we provide solutions that are used for tracking cellular therapies through the collection, through the manufacturing, and through the delivery process. Everything from standard of care therapies like cord blood and stem cells to more advanced therapies as well. We are very focused on two areas. One is making sure that our underlying technology, our underlying services are the latest and greatest tools so that we can keep all our customers up to date, but also expanding our footprint in the data collection space and also performing analytics, which will be very, very important in the future. Well, I'm always getting educated, and I love understanding new technologies that are emerging, but also the emerging focus on the economics behind these cellular therapies. It's already been proven that scientifically these therapies are curative, but now making them cost effective to bring to the masses is, one of the biggest problems that the industry has today. We love the meeting on the Mesa. This is actually my first one, and I'm very, very impressed. It just so happens to be in our backyard here in Phoenix, which makes it very convenient. But it is nice to see the wide spectrum of scientists, service providers, people in the space, laboratory directors, people in the space that we can talk to on all levels.